Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Guess what? Today's June 27th, 2021. You're looking at Palantir. This is a chart that we are going to speak on, give you all the expectations to where price is going to go so that you can win, right? This is our last video that we did in Palantir. Looked like it was on or around May 28th, and we played the strength into the market for this particular stock, and it hit it. And we did this in a way that wasn't confusing, right? So we're here. We're in this space to create this massive community of individuals who wants to understand how the market really operates, who wants to get in position so that they can profit from these moves, all without being confused. So we welcome you if you want to be part of our team. If you don't, there's a lot of other entertainment channels out there that you can literally click on and get emotionalized and get hyped up, get gassed up, just to only lose, right? We take this seriously, and this market is serious. This is no game. This is no ballpark. You need to take this serious, right? So if you want to join us, hit that like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. We are here to ensure that people in our community has the ability to understand where price is going to go. At the same time, they can learn and profit as well, right? So let's do this real quick. Like I said, the last time we did our price prediction was in Palantir was on May 27th, May 28th, right? Fully being transparent with every one of you all. We don't hide anything from our predictions on this channel. You could go back and look at our last Palantir video. Matter of fact, it is in our playlist, and see what was talked about and see what our expectations were, because we hit that, right? 15% was garnered in our prediction right there on June 23rd. So from May 27th, May 28th, all the way to June 23rd, about a month, about 4 months, we got 15% out the market in Palantir. Simple. So let's go ahead and take that away. Now, one thing everyone on our team and on our community who follows us understand that we always pay attention to volume. Volume is the language of the markets. It tells you who came in. It tells you who participated. It tells you how active each particular price bar is. So, question: what happened June 25th? Something happened in the market in Palantir, right? This is not deceitful. The price chart is literally being honest with us. It is just how we interpret it that we get it wrong, right? Somebody, someone, some institution played the market June 25th, 2021, period. They are the only ones who is able to create this much volume in one day. Regular retail cannot do this, because regular retail is not in unison. They are not unified. You have one person doing this, you have somebody else doing that. But when you get this much volume, institutions are playing the market. They're here. So when you see this, you need to take notice, period. So what happened in Palantir on June 25th while the market was up here around $26, $27? What happened? So to get that, you can see here that we already have some pretty big volume bars in Palantir around this particular price, right? Take a look at these 2 days, okay, in Palantir. Look at this volume bar. Look at both of them. Matter of fact, these are even higher than what June 25th volume bar was. And take a look where the price is. Okay, the price in Palantir was right there around 25, and then the next day, the 19th of February, price was trading around $27 to $30. So this area is hot. Like, the big institutions is playing the market in Palantir at those prices. So we have to see what type of reaction are we getting though. Okay, so let's switch this over. Let me take this away because we're not about that confusion. We have clean charts. Okay, if your chart ain't clean, you're dirty and you don't know what you're talking about, right? So let's take a look at this on a different time frame. This is a 2-day time frame. Okay, so we're in an uptrend. Okay, pretty good. This stock in Palantir is an uptrend. Excellent. That's what we do. We follow the trend. The trap is telling us that he's trying to bring up this price. But we got to be careful, because how high do you think this price can really go before we see another introduction of selling that tries to push down this price, right? Could we see market price in Palantir hit some restriction around $27.75 to $30? Let's look at this on a 3-day time frame. Are we still here in the market seeing strength or weakness? Going forward, this is our support area, 24. Okay, $24 is our area of support in terms of seeing this price go higher. Now, this is the 5-day time frame. Every price bar you see is 5 days worth of trading price action, and so far we're still not seeing the weakness here in Palantir. It's not there yet. Nope, don't see it there. This is the weekly time frame. Don't see it here. So it looks like this market is still here for clear selling to go higher in price. Just that simple. Now, I wanted us to focus in on $27.75 though. Okay, we need to keep in mind that the price in Palantir can start going lower there, around that vicinity, $27.75. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it up here towards this $30 area though, $29.60, give or take. That's the location that we're going to expect this price to go in Palantir. Okay, let me see what the market looks like on the 2 weeks. Doesn't look bad. 3 weeks doesn't look bad. Monthly time frame again doesn't look bad. So we're going to continue to watch the prospect of this stock going higher. Okay, that's what we're going to look forward to. You guys can recall I said that around $24 is that area of support in the market in Palantir. I'm gonna do like $23.50. So let's run this. $23.50, right there around that vicinity. Okay, so in any bout of weakness we get, as long as the price in Palantir does not break this area right here, matter of fact, let me bring this down lower towards like 23. Okay, we're still in the mode of seeing this price go higher, because we've been in a definitive uptrend and the market in Palantir so far hasn't dipped. At some point you can expect that. So when it happens, so long as this price doesn't break below $23, we're still good to see this price go higher. Okay, so watch the market on any bouts of weakness and see we still get weakness around 23. If we still get weakness around 23, we need to cut it and move on to another play. That's not going to work out. But if we still see strength around $23, we understand that everyone in this market is trying to buy up the price or buy up this stock to resume to higher prices in the longer time frame. All right, so let me do this. Change it back over to the daily. So we got this on a daily time frame, right? And we're a little higher. And we said at $27.75 is an area that we can actually try to expect some selling to come through. So that's about 3.5%. You can skim off a little bit of profit right there and just be satisfied with 3.5%, right? We're not going to be emotional traders. We're not going to be greedy. We're trying to be predictors and speculate as to, okay, what's going to happen next. $27.75, we can actually see this price dip in Palantir. But ultimately, I'm going to try to take up here around 30. And that's about 10.38% movement from where we closed on Friday. Okay, so that's it. This is our newest prediction into the market in Palantir. We're still playing the strength. We got some areas in between from where market closed on Friday to $30 that we can actually see some selling and weakness come through. But again, this tells us a lot. All right, so that's it. Welcome to our community. Welcome to the team. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment in the comment section and tell us where do y'all think the market price in Palantir is going to go, so that you can get there and you can dominate and win in this space. People try to make you think that trading and investing is complicated. It is not. And that's why we're here, to show you that it's not complicated and that you can actually profit and win in this space. Join us. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.